Hello to all my friends out there. So I want to do some more old-fashioned cooking. So I'm having a little mint tea. And so, you know, today I was selling books. And so I sold my book for $3 and the shipping was $2.66. Oh, guys, telling my son, Mikey, the AI is learning, because after that on my eBay popped up $2.66 shipping. And, you know, I watch these videos, the AI is learning your brain. I go, that's fine. If the AI is learning my brain, that must kind of indicate the AI doesn't have much of a brain. So anyway, you know, I have to be careful because I have advertising to die for. You know, the screwing around is not healthy financially. So I took some of my dumpster diving videos down, you know. So, okay, I want to do more old-fashioned cooking. And I'll tell you why. Okay, so I'm one of those kind of people, oh, don't encourage me. What happened is I got a couple of big-time restaurants following me after that old-fashioned cooking yesterday. What attracted them was, you know, my son made a breakfast sandwich. So guess who now is making breakfast sandwiches? Another note about the books. Okay, because the paperbacks have so little value, in my opinion, I can't justify paying more than 10 cents for a paperback book. Also, I live very close to the post office, so there's no traveling time. So all I have to do now is take the $2.66 out, and you know, I'm good to go on the next book. Okay, now here's what I'm making. Yikes! I bought this ham at Aldi's for $9. I bought the eggs at 99 cents only. This is going to be a good little breakfast sandwich. Okay, I made more rolls. Let me give you the recipe. Okay, I just did this yesterday, so if you want to see how I did it, just to let you know, this whole recipe does not make a very big loaf. This is 1/2 loaf. But it's so easy to make, it's not a big deal to whip up a little batch of you know, bread. And then at 99 cents, no, at Dollar Tree, I bought hash browns. Okay, now, just a second, I gotta show you guys. Okay, my sandwiches have, this is pre-sliced, $9 Aldi. You know, when you can get really, really good food somewhere, and it's not very expensive. Here's the hash browns from Dollar Tree. Okay, so I want to serve it the old-fashioned way, just like I did yesterday. Here is my rolls. I'm not sure how much each of these slices of ham would cost. Yummy. And then I fried my eggs sunny side up. I fried the ham and the eggs in oil that I got from Dollar Tree. And I was totally flattered when a restaurant, you know, actually noticed my food. I mean, that's like, what? Sally Suburbia? My dad's mother probably was one of the best cooks I've ever met, just to tell you the truth. Now, what? Now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to eat a little ketchup on my on my tater tots, Dollar Tree. I like to show you guys exactly what I make. I have mustard, because I like to eat mustard. And here is the eggs. These were like, I don't know, I bought them at 99 cents only. Okay, now, in my stockpile, I had pineapple. And in my stockpile, I had Jell-O. So I made some strawberry Jell-O with pineapple, and I used the speed method. You know, I put 1 cup, I made half a package, because if you just want a little batch, there's no sense to make a big batch. I wanted to show you something. But anyway, so I made, oh, here it is. I will be buying more Jell-O. This is the only one I had. I go, what? So what I did is I just made half batch. Now the reason I did is because I forgot butter, so I had to go back into Aldi's, and what they had was these large containers of cottage cheese for 99 cents. Ooh, I'm liking Aldi's. And so what I will do is and the expiration isn't until the 26th of January. So I have plenty of time. I don't have to like eat cottage cheese until it's coming out of my ears. But this is what I like to do. You could just put fruit in there, but if you like Jell-O at all, this is what I like. Okay, so that is a pretty good little fruit portion. You know, if you're like my son and I are not big lovers of fruit, this will do. And it ups your calcium too. So now let me show you. Here's my old-fashioned cooking. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a sandwich like my son did that, you know, the people in the restaurant encouraged me. And if that is you, thank you very much. That was very encouraging. Furthermore, it could inspire others to follow suit. Okay, I'll be back with a tasty breakfast sandwich. And thank you guys for the comments, and God bless you all.